We'll take one for your mom, okay?
Right now, I'm taking Johnny Boy's off to get the great picture on the left side of the river. Are you trying to tell me you got this on the gun or gun? This is John York looking at it, and you were supposed to be, there was a couple stuff.
Turn around, sweetheart.
Oh, she was.